All right, welcome back to the LCP digital learning page. I have another quick tip for you, which is how to screen record from your iPad and your MacBook Pro. This is a great way where you can pre-record different things so that the kids can see them as a video. You can send them out to kids to their iPads and their MacBooks. That way you can kind of be in multiple places at one time. So let's roll through that real quick. All right, so I'm here on my computer and I'm going to want to screen record one of my presentations for my kids. For example, if I want to have stations instructions, if I want to give examples of what I'm going to do, what we're going to do is we're going to use QuickTime, which for me, the easiest way to find a program, I'm going to do Command Spacebar and I'm going to type in Quick. QuickTime Player pops up. Go ahead and press enter. Now, the window comes up. If I had any QuickTimes, they would be here. But what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to go to the top under File. I'm going to do New Screen Recording. When I click that, this little screen recorder is going to pop up. Now, what I want to do first is right by the record button, I'm going to use a drop-down menu. I want to make sure that I've got the audio on if I want my kids to be able to hear my voice. So I'm going to make sure that's on. And then when I press record, it's going to say click to record the full screen. So as soon as I click, it is now recording anything that I do within my MacBook. So in fact, let me show you what that looks like now. So for example, if I could come over here, here's one of my presentations. When I press present, this could be instructions for my kids that I have, and so I can go through, they can hear my voice, they can see the slides that I'm using for my presentations. So here's how I'm going to record on my iPad. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make sure that it's turned on. So I'm going to go to Settings. Under Settings, you want to make sure you click over here on Control Center. When that comes up, I'm going to Customize Controls. Now, here are the ones that I have in my Control Center. Down here are some ones that I can add. So for example, I could add accessibility, Apple TV, guided access, but I want to find the one that says screen recording. When I press the plus button, it's going to pop it up here. Now, when I swipe up from the bottom of my iPad, I bring up Control Center. Right here is a record button. Now, if I long press on this, I've got start recording, and I've also got the option to turn audio on and off. I want to make sure my audio is on. If I'm giving instructions for kids, they need the video and my voice. When I press recording, it's going to count down 3, 2, 1. Now it's recording. Now I know it's recording because when I go back to my home screen, I've got this red bar here at the top. Anything from this point forward that I do on my iPad, my children are going to see. For example, if I want to show them how to log into a website, if I want to show them how to start up an app and get busy, and then when I'm finished, I'm going to press this red bar at the top. It's going to stop. Now it's telling me this is in my photos. So when I go to my photos, it's going to show that screen recording that I just did right here.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.